Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD tutorial how to link page. As example, I will create new page and I will use this iPhone 14 Pro and create again another page. As example, I will create text. You can set the names into second page and then in here I will copy or you can create again the first page. Now, how to link between these two pages? You can go to portal type and then you can click like the second page in it as the home, and I will move into the second page. And for the first page, you can move into the first page. Now you can preview by clicking at this icon, desktop preview. Now if you click the second page, you'll be moved into the second page. Click again into the first page. Or you can change the name, so like I will set inner into home. We can preview again, click to the second page, and you can click it to go to home. Okay, that's it for a basic Adobe XD tutorial how to link a page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.